So we're transitioning out of one of my favorite seasons, summer, and straight into fall, which I feel like every year I love more and more. I love it because one, it's my birthday season, two, Halloween, and three, just the general feel feels cozier. I love the style. I love the fashion, which is what we're going to be talking about today. So buckle up because we're going to be going through 10 of my favorite style trends for this fall. My number one overarching trend that we're going to be seeing sprinkled throughout this video is going to be the cherry chocolate color that I've been seeing everywhere. I recommend that you keep an eye out for this color. I'm not going to get too into it because as we go through each of the trends, you're going to see it sprinkled in. Okay, so number one is a great leather shoe. So the three major leather shoes that I'm a fan of are loafers, ballet flats, and boots. First, to start with what color and what shape you're looking for, I will say that I always think it's really chic when you go with a square-toed shoe. Here are some options that have some unexpected elements. You can also go with something that have this timeless element to them, and you can zhuzh it up with the rest of your outfit. What really does add a level of cool and interest is finding a bright sock to pair with it. So here are a few influencers that I've been inspired by who have done this. My personal favorite is in the Kelly green, and it just adds this really fun element to your outfit. So one more shoe trend I do have to mention before we move on to other clothes and even one makeup trend that I want to share with you guys is a bright red shoe. It adds so much spice and so much fun, especially if you're a girl like me who lives in a warm tropical climate that only gets a little cold really in the winter time. It's so beautiful, chic, and it adds just this like a little bit of personality and interest in your outfit. So now we'll go straight into the next one, which is a bright, beautiful sweater. This, again, going with the same color scheme, that Kelly green, that cobalt blue, or that bright cherry red. Either way, it's such an easy thing to throw on top of an outfit just over your shoulders. It's just a beautiful pop of color. Think of it the same way as the socks. It's something fun that adds that dopamine hit in your outfit. So I highly recommend that you keep two of these around so that whatever outfit you wear, especially if you're like me and you tend to lean towards more neutral outfits, is something easy to throw on top that adds just a pop of energy. So on this tip, I have to give all the credit to Lainey Ozark. She is a style and fashion creator on YouTube, and I have been following her for a while. I absolutely love her. And Lainey's tip is to wear it not at the hip, which is what I was doing. Raise it up, kind of like that trend when everybody was wearing their fanny packs across their bodies. Just make sure that it is buckled up so that it lands right at your waist, and that gives a more modern, cool girl look. I don't know why, it gives kind of like a Nordic, Swedish, Dutch cool fashion look to it. And next, since we are talking about bags, this is something that I've been loving, especially for the fall when you're starting to get to the cozy vibes, you're nesting your home, you're looking for some DIY projects to do. Invite a few friends over, go to Michael's, get your favorite charms, and make some adorable bag charms. It's brought me so much joy to have these cute little charms on my bags. I've made them for my family and for my friends. I promise you that it's going to be such a fun night. And after that, whenever you wear your bag, it's just going to make it feel a little special and personal. So one trend I share every single year is a contrasted collar. I absolutely love this. It is, again, one of those details that you have to put no effort into. Once you have it, it just adds so much to your outfit. You just throw it on over. Sometimes it comes in a trench, a water-resistant material, or in a cool suede jacket that has a contrasted collar. But any way that you wear this, it just adds this really cool detail that, again, adds like absolutely no effort. You just throw it on and it looks cool and chic. Okay, so for my final two bonus trends that I'm loving for this fall, we're going to be talking about hair and we're going to be talking about makeup. Okay, so getting into hair, as you get into fall, again, you want things that are low effort, easy, and fun, and add some fun interest, playfulness, personality to your outfit. The interesting, fun rosette hairband that you can just braid your hair back, add it to the end. My abuela had so many scarves, and you could just get one of those and finish off your ponytail. I love a loose ponytail in the fall, and just tie that back to finish it off like you see in this photo. And voila, you have a really chic, cool outfit with a little interest in the back with very little effort. Finally, we're going to get into one of my favorite topics, which is makeup. This is something that I want to try. I haven't ventured into the world of a darker lip in so long because of my high school, middle school days of trying to, when I was obsessed with Taylor Swift, as I obviously still am, and tried a red lip. It looked like a clown. Here's what I'm proposing that we all try together. Going very minimal on the face makeup. So on the eyes, on the cheeks, we're going to keep it flush. I'm going to show some photos here. And then on the lips, we're going to find a rosy brown lip liner and smudge it out. You can also try this with a brighter lip like this one. This is something that I have on my bridal inspo images that I'm hoping to try. I am convinced after making this part of the video that it's only fair if I do it myself and share it with you guys what the success is, what works, what products work better. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. Those are my 10 style basics. I think we should all be trying out this fall. I'm talking to myself too. I am so excited to continue to make these videos. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see. If you're excited to see that makeup look on me, what you're excited to wear this fall. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. I am so excited to make more of these. If you have any ideas for videos you'd like to see, please leave them down below. And check the description. I always leave some fun links and ideas and different things down there. So just check it out. And I'm excited to see you next time. Chat soon. Oh, and bonus, I love a chocolate brown espresso nail for the fall. So if you're looking for some inspiration for that, I'd go for this and put a cute little pattern. It's my favorite right now. Okay, bye.